Well, a beautiful day to wake up to on Vlogmas day 20. Hi guys, it is the 20th of December and it is only 5 days till Christmas. Oh my god. And this morning I started my day off right with listening to the 1975's newest album while doing my makeup, and now I'm in a freaking good mood. And I want to show you guys quickly the palettes I used this morning, because these are like my obsession of this year, and I'm definitely going to put them in my 2018 favourites video in January. And it is the Sofx Extra Spice palette, and I've used that as like the orange and yellow, and then I used the Imagination palette for my inner highlight. And these two palettes are extremely pigmented. They're both £10 and they're from Revolution in Superdrug, and you can get it also from Beauty Bay. And I just want to shout these palettes out, because if you're looking for something different to wear as like Christmas and New Year's Eve makeup, definitely buy these because you can create some amazing looks from them. And let me show you the inside of them quickly. This is the Imagination palette, and look how pretty the shades are. This is the one I use for my inner corner, and then this is Extra Spice, and I use this shade from all over my lid, this and this for the outer corners, and then this one for the inner corner sort of cut crease. And yeah, these shimmers in these two palettes are amazing. Like, you don't need to spend like £50 on the palettes. I mean, you can if you want to, but yeah. Today's plan is basically running errands. So my mum's given me a list to buy things from the supermarket, so I'm going to head out to there this morning, and then this afternoon it's just going to be a really chilled day. But I'm thinking maybe of doing like a festive house tour of like my favourite Christmas decorations. So not just in my room, but there's some like really cute bits my mum has done around the house, so I really want to show you guys those. And maybe, I don't know what else, like I'm trying to create like good content for Vlogmas, but I feel like I'm running out of ideas the closer we get to Christmas. Before we get into the day today, let's open today's advent calendar window. It is 20 already. Let's see what we got on this. It's a caramel. I wonder if they've actually put the chocolates where the picture is as well, because that's what's happened with every new one. But yes, my other favourite, like everything else.
You're always on my mind. I'm at your side. No matter what, you know.
I am now back from running errands for my mum, and I thought I'd do a quick like food shopping haul, because I love it when like people I watch on YouTube do these, because I'm always so nosy. So if you guys want to know, then carry on watching this bit. But I got some New York bagels because these are my absolute favourites, and I always have sandwiches with these. I got my usual decaf Dr. Gusto pods because these are what I have every evening as part of my caffeine fix. I also got my mum some absorbent kitchen roll, a bird seed for all the birds in the garden. And I also got 3 from 6 gingerbread Santas. These are for my management at work as like a thank you for the year. There's 6 of them, so there's 1 each for everyone, which is great. And then granary hovis for my mum. And then I got these for the rest of my colleagues for Christmas Eve, because I'm doing a Christmas Eve shift and you need sugar, and Cadbury is the one for getting you through these kind of shifts. So that's for all the team working with me on that day, because it's basically Christmas, so everyone deserves a treat. So that is my haul. Okay guys, so I thought I'd do my favourite sort of festive house tour, because it is only like 11:30, but I'm in the mood to do it right now, and I'm so excited to show you guys what my house looks like at Christmas. So firstly, I want to start with this cute little snowman, And we've also got a little Santa here. We've had these for absolutely years and they just sit on the fireplace and just look really cute. In fact, let me put the light on here. Yes, so festive and cozy. And then my mum got these this year from Primark, and she got these ones from Canon, the little tea light holdy thingies. And then we got a little gingerbread man, which you might recognise because I got this for myself last year as well, but they brought it back this year. My mum liked it so much she got it for the living room. So those are just like this bit. And then we got a nutcracker here, which I absolutely love. It's from TK Maxx and this is basically Christmas. And then we've got a mini tree. So we didn't put the big one up this year because my mum couldn't be bothered. Sorry, Mum. I don't mean to be so savage, but it's true. And then we've got some cute little decorations. This one is from my Secret Santa. It's a little hand knitted Santa. Oh, he fell off though. Okay, I need to fix him. And then we got an owl, which I got from Liberty for my mom. This bulbul's from Liberty. And then these nutcrackers are also on my tree and they're from Poundland. And it's just a really, really cute silver tree. Do you want to say hello to the vlog? Hello, Baba Hina. Oh, he's so cute, Basil. Yeah, you don't know this. Shut up! In the living room, we've got this really, really pretty garland, which did sit there, but it kept falling off from the tape. So my mum gave up and just made it straight. But I think it looks really cute and festive and like so traditional. And they got pine cones there. These I think are from Morrison's. They just say Merry Christmas and there's one on each side. And my mum's put bell things on each side. On this side we've got like holly and like ivy sort of thing, which I absolutely love. And I love this room because it looks so cute in the evening. And then my mum's done this sort of like foliage sort of thing. And then as you come into my room, I need to put the lights on, but this is my tree, which we decorated together on the 1st of December. And this is like my favourite little decoration at the moment. It's from Tiger. And then you got these, and then these are from Sainsbury's. And then I got so many little bits. I did a blog post, which I'll probably link in the description box, of all the new bits I got. But this is from TK Maxx. And it smells so good. Then this is supposed to be a tree decoration from Primark, but the string came off with the tag because they glued the tag to the string, which was really stupid. So it's just on my shelf. And then we have my moose from Primark, which is so cute. He looks so cozy and he just sits on my bed. And then I think you got that one. You've seen that last year. You've seen that. This has like always been like this. And then of course we got my own gingerbread man, and then we got this little Rudolphy bobbly thing, and then the cutest little snow globe from Tiger. Oh, just look at it. I love the detailing as well. It's so festive. And that is a really quick house tour, but those are like the main bits that we've decorated and my main favourite bits as well. So yes, do let me know in the comments as well what your favourite part of your own house is. If it's a tree, if it's like tinsel placed somewhere, if it's like candles or whatever. Do let me know because I'm really nosy as well. Okay guys, so I have some unforeseen plans, which means I can't vlog for the rest of the day, i.e. I've just got called into work, which is super exciting, but also means I'm not going to vlog anymore. So this is the end of today's vlog. If you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click notification bell down below to get updates when the next Vlogmas is up, and have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!